Hello everyone, and welcome to this video series on creating a children's book for Kindle. Join me, your host Genevieve, as I show you the process of writing this book, Alicia's Birthday Blues, that was written and illustrated by Christopher Becker. In this series, we will cover everything you need to know to create your own children's book, from choosing a topic to publishing your book. And if you find this series helpful, be sure to leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. In this episode, we will explore the company Midjourney, an illustration program that's revolutionizing the way we create and consume the visual experience. Using cutting-edge technology, Midjourney generates high-quality images that are based on text prompts. Their algorithms are constantly learning and improving, ensuring the quality of the images generated will only get better with time. To make the most of their platform, it's important to provide clear and concise text prompts that accurately describe the image you want to generate. If you followed our last episode, we put a premium on using descriptive language for this specific purpose because we want to make your life easier for this process. So let's go slowly since we are novices as we prepare to navigate you through the process. To get started, click on the Get Early Access button in Midjourney. This will take you to a form where you'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name and email address. Once you've submitted the form, you'll need to wait for an email from Midjourney confirming that you've been accepted into the beta program. Once you've been accepted into the beta program, which is really quick, you'll need to log into the Midjourney AI platform. At the bottom right of your screen, you will see Join Now. Once you've clicked on that, the next screen will show up. On this page, you will see that you've been invited to join Midjourney. This invite will take you into Discord, which is where you're going to be working on your illustrations. So when you see this, click on the invite to see what you're about to be working through. As you open the Discord, you'll be immediately blown away by images. If you notice on the lower left side of your page, you will see the word newbie, along with a number beside it. Once you have clicked on that, you'll be able to create your own images. As a little helpful hint, pick the lowest number that is posted next to newbie. It will be less busy, and you'll be able to generate your images quicker. In this slide, you'll notice how people have used their words that create the images. One is in the style of anime, and the other is of a Mercedes. Midjourney generates 4 images from your prompt texts. After that, it gives you the option of what picture you like, and how many variations you like rendered. A great follow is Matt Wolf, who has mastered the program quite nicely. He does run through it pretty quick, so it's a bit daunting. But if your experience level is a little better than novice, you can understand the concepts a tad faster. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now let us apply what we have learned in the making of Alicia's Birthday Blues to provide you an example of how we generated our illustrations. These are the notes from our storyboard word for word. As you can see in this demonstration, that you don't have to be perfect with your description. However, it does help immensely as we make our way to our final product. Here is the example from our writing notes, and I quote, "The cover art showcases Alicia and Kiro together, with Alicia holding Kiro in her arms and both of them smiling. They are shown in a happy, lively setting, such as a park or the beach. The colors used should be bright and cheerful to set the tone for the story." Through the process, we realized that children have a real affinity for animals, so we decided the illustrations should reflect that. One of the most famous illustrators of the past century was Clement Hurd, who wrote the book Goodnight Moon. Consequently, we wanted our illustrations to be in a similar style. As a result, the prompt that we used was /imagine, children's book, Clement Hurd, 2 Labradors in a park, wearing clothes. What Midjourney generated was this. And this. And this. Once you've entered your text prompt and your image has been generated, you'll be able to view it on the screen. It will take a few minutes. If you're happy with the image, you can download it to your computer. You'll need to click on the download button and choose the format you'd like to save the image in, such as JPG or PNG. Then you'll need to select a location on your computer to save the file and click Save. That's it. You've now successfully used Midjourney to generate an image based on a text prompt and save the image to your computer. In our next episode, we are going to learn how to incorporate our storyboard that we have done previously, along with our illustrations from Midjourney, to complete the look of our children's book in a design program called Canva. Thank you for joining me again, as we further our knowledge of how to write a children's book for Kindle. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next installment. Looking forward to seeing you again. Take care and all the best.